We start our look back at the biggest moments in space exploration from the first week of May 2022, a historic period marked by the successful conclusion of a major international mission. The focus this week is on the safe return of the 4 astronauts of the Crew-3 mission. After spending nearly 6 full months, 177 days, living and working aboard the International Space Station, the crew undocked from the orbiting laboratory to begin their challenging journey back to Earth. The team consisted of NASA astronauts Raja Chari, Tom Marshburn, and Kayla Barron, alongside European Space Agency astronaut Matthias Maurer. Their trip home began with a precise undocking maneuver in the early hours of May 5, initiating a meticulous orbital chase before their final deorbit burn. The return itself was a textbook example of commercial spaceflight success. Their SpaceX Crew-3 capsule, named Endurance, executed a flawless sequence of re-entry maneuvers, plunging through the intense heat of Earth's atmosphere. The capsule then descended through the skies under a set of massive, guiding parachutes before successfully achieving a parachute-assisted splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico, just off the coast of Florida. This safe arrival marked the completion of the agency's third long-duration commercial crew mission, which saw the international crew travel over 75 million miles and complete more than 2,800 orbits of our planet. For 3 of the 4 crew members, Chari, Barron, and Maurer, this entire experience was their very first trip to space. Meanwhile, Tom Marshburn logged his 3rd spaceflight, a distinguished career that now includes flying aboard the Space Shuttle, Russia's Soyuz, and a commercial Crew Dragon. During their time in orbit, the Crew-3 astronauts contributed to hundreds of scientific experiments and technology demonstrations. This research included everything from studying how concrete hardens in microgravity to investigating new plant-growing techniques that could one day support deep space missions to the Moon and Mars. They also dedicated significant time to crucial maintenance and station upgrades, notably conducting 4 separate spacewalks to prepare the orbital outpost for the installation of new, advanced solar arrays. This successful return immediately cleared the stage for the next major milestone in commercial spaceflight. Meanwhile, at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, another spacecraft, Boeing's uncrewed CST-100 Starliner, was being moved into position. This crucial test flight, known as Orbital Flight Test 2, was required to fully certify the Starliner system to begin carrying future NASA astronauts to the space station. Finally, in Washington, NASA Administrator Bill Nelson spent time on Capitol Hill discussing the agency's proposed budget. His testimony highlighted the necessary funding required to accelerate NASA's ambitious plan for human exploration under the Artemis program, aiming to return humanity to the Moon and lay the foundation for future missions to the Red Planet. The continued success of the Commercial Crew program, exemplified by the return of Crew-3, was presented as a powerful model for maximizing value and enabling deeper space exploration.